Welcome to Tiffany's Creations, and I have a special treat for you today. This is my niece Debbie, and she decided to be the guinea pig for what I do to my hair. This is a how-to video of how to cut your hair yourself to save a lot of money, and it comes out good. I mean, come on, look at my hair. Doesn't it look good? And it was so easy to do. So we are going to do Debbie's hair, and I'm going to get it ready real quick. I'm going to show you how to get it ready. How are we going to do that? It's a hot. Okay, so what we're going to do is the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take her hair. I don't want to pull your hair, Debbie.
That's okay.
No.
Oh, here, I can.
Yeah, you do it. I don't want to pull your hair. You got that thing tight. Okay, this is so easy. Anybody can do it at home. And it works so good. All you have to do is take your hair, you brush it all up here. Just brush up. Your hair is not no knots at all. You got nice hair.
Thank you.
You're just gonna brush all your hair. Now, do you want bangs?
No bangs. No bangs.
Okay, so then that's where we're gonna pause, and I'm gonna section her hair to keep her bangs out of this, like I did to mine. So hold on, I'm gonna pause it. We're gonna get her ready, and I'm gonna show you what's next. Okay, so we're gonna keep her bangs the same length that they were, like I did. Mine are, see, these are my bangs. They're still long. And what you do is you just put your part here, put them forward. Same thing on this side, and then just I put a little clip here. One of these little clips. See? And then just hold that hair there. Then the next thing you do is you take this hair and you just want to bring it all up to the top of your head. You bring it all up straight. And you hold it here like a ponytail here. Your hair is nice and smooth, Deb. No knots. Okay. Then we take one of these ponytail holders. And it's just wet from the alcohol.
Okay.
And you make a ponytail
No, I don't want no. I
in
don't
the
want
middle
movies.
of the top of your head.
No, I said you. I said get some for you, Grandma.
Like this.
No, I don't want any. You can have it.
Down.
But there's some enough for everybody. Yeah, because you cut it.
Sorry about the
like you cut
background.
the lasagna.
Having a little family time here on a Sunday. So then the next thing you do is you take it all up straight. And then you're just going to cut. Look, your hair is like that already, Debs.
Oh.
See? So this is how hairdressers do it. But this is a shortcut. This is a shortcut of getting your hair done for free at home. So you hold it up. Now, I was thinking about cutting down to here.
What?
Is that too short? Or
Yeah.
do you want to go up some like this?
Yeah, go up some.
That's not cutting a lot off,
Flounder.
but it will layer it a little
all
bit.
in one.
Okay.
You want it up to here?
What you think?
We can do it up to here, and if it still feels a little long, then we could do it some more down, okay?
Okay.
All right. So that's all you got to do is cut it straight across. You ready? This is it. Oops. Not oops in a bad way. That's it. This is all you got to do. Just cut it straight across. That's it. Now for the big, what do they call that? Review?
Real.
Here we go, Deb. You just comb it down.
No, she didn't put that in the microwave yet. Oh, you did? Okay.
Wow, that is beautiful. Wait till you see the back. Debbie, it looks great. Now, you can do it to the side. How do you want your hair? One to the side, straight back, behind your ears. Lift up. That's what I do. Now, would you turn around so everyone can see how the back looks, how great it looks? Look how nice. Look how beautiful that turned out. Didn't that turn out nice and perfect and beautiful?
What you doing?
Want to show them the side? Oh, Debbie, it turned out good. It turned out good, and you can do your bangs and fluff them out. And I mean, I'm not a hairdresser, but have this come forward a little bit if you want,
I like that.
like I
It
do.
doesn't have all the dead ends anymore.
Right, and then you
Well,
fluff this
I
up.
didn't get to the store, but I went and got my,
You like it?
medicine.
Wasn't that quick and easy?
Mm-hmm.
Anybody could do it, right? Jazz could have probably did it. Anybody next? Next. No more takers for today. But thanks, Deb.
Thank you.
Great job. How about it? Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and come back for more videos.